What is autocomplete? Let's investigate. First of all, you have to realize that keywords are the foundation of not just SEO, search engine optimization, but also Google Ads and even social media. You have to know what are the keywords that your customers are either searching for or sharing and talking about on social. Autocomplete is a tool that'll help you build your keyword list and research the content themes that matter to your customers. So first of all, go to Google. Let's take the term car insurance. So go to Google and type in car insurance and stop. Notice that the terms that appear beneath are relevant search queries. So car insurance quotes OKC for Oklahoma City, car insurance near me, car insurance refund. So you can first just look at the suggestions and they will give you some insights into the types of terms and phrases that your customers are using. Second tip, go through the alphabet and type in A, B, C, etc. So for instance, car insurance A, car insurance B, car insurance C. So you can go through the alphabet and look for suggestions. Final tip, go to the beginning and type in A, B, C, etc. And you can also see good terms and phrases through autocomplete. So here's the self-test. Do you know the keywords that your customers are searching for or engaging with on social media? If you don't, or you don't have a really strong idea, use autocomplete to help build out your keyword list. Here's your to-do. Take 5 minutes, sit down at a blank screen on Google, and just type in a seed keyword that matters to you and your business. This could be car insurance, this could be hair transplant, this could be proteomics, whatever keyword matters to you. Note the high-level autocomplete suggestions that first happen. These are relevant to volume. Secondarily, go through the alphabet A, B, C at the end and the alphabet at the beginning and write down the keywords that seem to be appropriate for your target customers. Finally, once you know autocomplete, you should build out a structured keyword worksheet, which we'll discuss in another video.